Hi friends, hope you all are doing great. So in this video we will learn the complete data validation, like what the data validation can apply here. Everything we will see in this video. So let me tell you why data validation is very important. So actually the thing is that once you are using Excel and preparing your data, maintaining data in the Excel, and if you are giving your Excel to fill that data to any other one, like if you are doing, then maybe you will fill the correct one, but if you are sharing to any other one or you want to ask to that fill that value in the cells, so maybe they can fill the wrong value on that. So that's why you need to validate the cells or column or data like your Excel sheet. That's why. So let me tell you what the thing I will learn in this video. So I will learn about everything and in the data validation. So there is a few things in that all, like if once click here you will see there is a many thing in the data validation. So everything we will learn. Okay, so I just prepared the template here. So first is any value, validate on any value, then whole number and validation on decimal, list, date, time, then text length and custom, and there is one more thing in the data validation, which is circle invalid data. Okay, so there is also I prepared the data, and in the custom we will see the validate to the email ID and mobile number, that how like someone cannot enter the wrong mail ID and mobile number. Okay, so let's get started for to learn about data validation. So first one is the any value. So any value means you can enter any value in this cell, like either text, either number, either anything you can enter. Okay, so number, text, anything you can enter. So this is the default value which is chosen already once you open the Excel. Okay, now come to the whole number. So whole number is the number like this number 1 2 3 4 5 10 11, anything is like in the number series is the whole number. Okay, so let me validate to the whole number. Okay, so click this cell and go to the data validation, click on data validation, and then so like I am just choosing a whole number. Okay, then they're asking multiple things like between, not between, equal to, not equal to, greater than, anything you want, choose of one of this. Okay, so I'm just choosing between. Okay, so in the between, if you want to make enter the data between 10 to 20, 10 to 20. Okay, so I'm just clicking OK. But before that you can do the one more thing is input message. Like in this cell, if someone is coming, then like you want to give the message that this data you need to enter. Okay, so you can mention title, enter. Here you can answer enter, you can mention please enter number between 10 to 20. So once someone will come, they will got to know that what the thing in this field you need to enter. Okay, here is the error message. If someone is entering wrong value, then what the message will show there, then you can make here error. Okay, whatever you want you can write here. Okay, so in this you need to please enter valid number between 10 to 20. Okay, so whatever message you want you can write here. Okay, once I click OK, so once this cell selected, and one more thing, if you want to like apply this validation is like complete cell, then you need to like click here. Okay, you can scroll down, so now on every cell is applied. Okay, so like I'm just entering one only, then you can get the error message like okay, please enter valid number between 10 to 20. So someone will come, then got to know that yeah, 10 to between 10 to 20 you need to enter, so you can enter 20, it's accepted. I'm entering again 11, accepted. I'm entering only 2, not accepted. Okay, so this is the like a data validation, and until and unless it will not possible to move next, once you will click cancel, it will be like removed from here. Okay, now come to the next part, which is the decimal. So you need to validate the decimal part as well. Okay, so go to the data validation, click OK, and then choose decimal, then between, again I'm just choosing between on everyone. You can choose according to your criteria. Okay, so in the between I'm just applying that 1 to minimum value 1 and maximum value I'm just entering 4. Okay, and the input message you can apply everyone as you want. What the message you want to give, you can. I'm not doing with every validation. Okay, so now I validate between like 1 to 4 and I'm just entering 1. It's possible. Okay, now I'm just extending this one so that I apply on the this cell as well. So I'm just entering 5 7. It's not possible because it's not in a valid range. And if I'm entering like 0.5, it is also not possible because it's not in this range. I am entering 1.1, it's possible because this is in range. I am entering 2.5, it's possible because it's in range. I am entering 5.5, it is not in range. Okay, so it's showing error. So once you click cancel, it will be removed from here. Now come to the list part. This is little bit interesting. Okay, so what should I do for list? Go to the data validation and click data validate. Sorry, I need to apply here. Okay, so click, choose this one. Okay, data validation, go to the value on list. Then okay, so now it is asking for source. So like what kind of list you want to make. This will be create a drop down list. So I'm just entering the name Manoj, Vinod, Dilip, Pramod. Okay, so I just enter 4 name and just I am clicking input side, going to the, you can enter name. Please select name from drop down. Okay, so the message is showing that you can someone will get to know that what they need to do here. Okay, in the error message also you can write a title is error and please select name from drop down only. Now someone will got to know DOWN. Okay, drop down. Now once you can extend here so that apply on every cell. Okay, now come to here. If so, you will click on any cell, you will get this message that name, please enter the name from the drop down. So there is the drop down in the corner. Once you click, you will get open like all name. Okay, so I'm just choosing Manoj here. Okay, now in this column I'm just entering name manually. Okay, so what will happen if you enter or move to next cell? It will give the error message, please select name from drop down only. Okay, so someone will got to know that I need to choose only from the drop down. It's not possible to enter manually. Okay, you can say, you can check any cell, it will possible to not enter any other thing. It will show error message. You need to choose the drop down only. Okay, now it's selected. Now come to the date validation. So click this cell, then go to the data validation and choose date and between. So you need to give start date and end date. So start date I'm giving 01 oblique 01 oblique 2022. Okay, 1st January 2022. I'm just giving 12 December 2022. Okay, so you need to enter the date between this only. Okay, I'm just validating, and here you can write message, or you can write message and input message and alert everything. Okay, so I'm not writing because video can be long, that's why. So I'm just entering the date only, 12 December. I'm just writing 13 December. Is this possible or not? I think not possible, but I'm just trying. Okay, you can see it's not possible. So let me cancel it. Let me enter date between 11 December 2022. It's possible. Okay, so it's easy to understand. You can apply over all cell here. Okay, now come to the time part. So click in the cell, go to the data validation, choose the time. Okay, now you need to give the time, start time and end time. So I'm just giving 4 AM in the morning, 4 AM. Then here is a 12 PM afternoon. Okay, I'm sorry, 12 p.m. afternoon. Okay, so this is the time I applied, and I'm just extending to apply on all. Okay, I'm entering the time like 030 a.m. like out of range. It will consider no. I'm just cancelling. I'm just entering 5 a.m. morning. 5 a.m. Yeah, it's possible. Okay, and I am entering 1 p.m. 1 p.m. afternoon. Let me see, it will consider not, it will not consider. Okay, so you can see the like time validation as well. Now this is the text length size, like you want to enter the text which is like a particular length, like 1 2 3 4 5, how many character you wanted in this cell. That the thing you need to validate here. So I'm just going to validate. Click this cell and go to data validation, go to the text length, and the length between like 2 character to maximum 5 character. Under this, if someone is entered, then that will be possible, other not. Okay, so I'm just entering only single character. It possible? I think not. Okay, 2 character possible. Okay, so I'm just extending to more cells so that I can check more values. Okay, I'm just entering possible, not possible, because I validate here. You can enter anything, but the thing is that character should be limited. Not possible become more than 5. So I'm entering 1 2 3 4 5. That will possible. Okay, possible. Okay, it's possible. So guys, let me come to the custom validation part, and in the custom we will see two things. One is the email and second with the mobile number validation. So I just selected this cell and going to the data validation, then choosing custom, and once you choose the custom they will ask for formula. So you need to search this formula over Google or ChatGPT anywhere. So that formula you need to copy and paste here. Okay, so I'm already searched there, so you can see here. So this is the email validation formula. Let me explain little bit. So it is showing error if making any space in the email ID, or they are considering checking the about the @ and if they have multiple @ they will show the error. Okay, so that kind of validation they prepared, and so this is the complete formula. So one thing you need to notice in this, that there is a S3 is the cell number. So if you you can check the formula, then that in which cell you are going to apply this formula. So I am just going to apply S3, that's why I already mentioned S3. If you have A1 A2 something like this, you can copy and replace, find Control F, you can do Control F and then can find and replace from here like this. Okay, so I'm not doing because already I'm having S3, so I'm just copying all this formula. Okay, and going to paste on this formula. Okay, so now clicking OK. So once you click OK, you can see now I can just check the validation. Let me expand this so that apply on all cell. Okay, so I'm just checking in this. Okay, let me press enter. I'm getting error. Okay, if I'm trying to like this and @ like this, it also shows the invalid. Okay, if I'm trying number, then like this, then dot and this, it will also show the error. Let me try correct way. Okay, so like this is the character @ and something, then again character. Okay, this is the valid. Okay, that the way to check the validation. Like if I'm writing Manoj @gmail.com. Okay, so it will be valid because it is checking that before the @ there should be the character or number, and after that there is a again character, then you need to put dot and then again character. That the validation they are checking. Okay, so it will be valid. Okay, now good. Now I'm checking that like this, dot @ and dot then again character. It will not valid because you will put the dot again, 2 dot will not valid in this. So this is the way to check the validation, email validation. Okay, and now come to the mobile number validation. So in mobile number validation, how will apply? Go to the I'm just expanding so that select all cells. Okay, and to the data validation, then I'm choosing custom. Then again you need to put the formula. So for mobile number validation I search the formula and I am already, so I am giving the like S3. I think cell number is not S3 now, so I will mention what the cell number is there. Okay, so let me minimize this. So cell number is H9, I think H9. Okay, so I am just writing here and H already written, so you need to replace 3 it to 9. Okay, 9. Now I'm clicking OK. So let me check the validation. If I'm entering 2 3 number, it will show error. Okay, I'm entering only one, it will show error. Let me enter 10 digit. A 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, it's valid. Okay, let me enter the character. It will not take. Okay, if I'm entering 10 character, let me check 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It will not take, because mobile number is always the number. It will not any kind of character or symbol or anything. You can check, symbol is also not considered. Let me put the 10 symbols. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It will invalid. Okay, so you need to put the number only. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. It's possible. Okay, so this is the like a mobile validation and this is the email validation. So now come to the circle invalid data. So how you will check this, like it will like make a circle of those data which is invalid, like which is out of range, which is not like in your validation range. That data will be circled by this. Okay, so how you will apply this? Go to the data validation and apply the, so first of all you need to select the data. First you select the data, go to the data validation, then choose like a whole number and between, so I'm just writing condition between like 20 to 30. So like I'm just putting the condition 20 like minimum and maximum is 30. So between this what the data between 20 to 30, that will be valid, otherwise everything is an invalid. Okay, so I'm clicking OK. Now I'm going to the circle invalid data. Let me click. So you can check like 20 like 2 is not in the range 20 to 30, 21 is in the range, so that's why it's not circled. Okay, rest of thing is circled. 23 is the in the range, 23 is the range, 45 44 59 is in the range. Okay, so this is the way you can circle the data. If you want to clear, you can go again here and clear validation circle. It will remove from there. Okay, so it was a complete about the all data validation. So thank you so much for watching this video. We will see next.